Okay, so this is a video for We Three Kings, Guitar 3. Looks like this. If you can see it. Ooh, We Three Kings, Guitar 3. And, okay, so, a couple things to know about this piece. It's in 3/4. You're in unison almost the entire piece. Actually, you're not. Sorry, backwards. You're in unison for first 4 measures and that breaks off, right? So when it breaks off, things might sound a little bit weird, but don't worry. It'll make sense when you play it all together. Now, a couple other things to remember is that you have some dotted half notes, which hold for 3, and you have one in the 3rd measure. You also have one in the 10th measure, and so you just count those for 3. You're also in 3/4, so that kind of helps. Let's see here. What else do you have? Not really much else. You're over there on your range is going down to the 4th string, which is really good, and you have some repeat signs. So the repeat signs are going to go all the way back up to A, and then go all the way down. We'll talk about those more later, though. All right, here we go. Let's just play through it real quick. All right, so unisons, you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so you have a G sharp in measure 9. Your G sharp is going to be on the 1st fret, 3rd string, right here. Alright, now we are at the 11th measure, so about midway through the 2nd line. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so you got an E, 2nd fret, 4th string. You have your open G, of course, going to the A, and then going to the C for 3. Alright, now the G goes back to open because it goes back to natural. The sharp only carries for the measure, right? Alright, so measure 9, both G's are G sharp. Alright, we're at measure 15. We have an F natural. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, that was B. So B's, you got the E's to F, and it's interesting because it follows the melody a lot. So you have that star of wonder, star of bright, star of night, sorry. So at B, just remember that. Star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright. Alright, that goes all the way to measure 26. Alright, so we're halfway through the 5th line down, and you have some E's, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that was all the way up to the 1st ending. Alright, so we really shouldn't have any problems. I'm thinking that you don't really have any problems, you just need somebody to play with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play the whole thing. Let me grab my metronome. And I'll play with a metronome, that way you can play along with me. Alright, here we go. Start in A. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3. Alright, so that went through the 1st ending, alright? If you can get to the 1st ending, everything else will be easy because we just repeat all the way to the top. Hope this video helps. If you need some help, send me a message on here, on YouTube, and I'll try to reply with a video lesson. Good luck.